Installing Netflix on your TalkTalk YouView box is a straightforward process. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll need an active TalkTalk broadband subscription, a separate Netflix subscription, a compatible TalkTalk YouView TV hub model, and a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second for optimal 4K streaming. Now, let's walk through the installation process step by step. Step 1. Navigate to the YouView App Store. Use your remote control to access the main menu on your TalkTalk YouView box. Then select the App Store option. Step 2. Locate the Netflix app. Look in the Entertainment section of the App Store, where you'll find Netflix listed among other streaming services. Step 3. Select Install and wait for the download. Click on the Netflix app and select the Install button. The app will download automatically to your YouView box. Step 4. Launch Netflix. Once installation is complete, you can find and launch Netflix from your Apps section or directly from your home screen. Step 5. Installation complete. Netflix is now ready to use on your TalkTalk YouView box. You can start streaming your favorite shows and movies right away. Remember, for the best streaming experience, especially for 4K content, ensure your internet connection maintains at least 25 megabits per second. Netflix is now installed and ready to provide hours of entertainment on your TalkTalk YouView box. Once Netflix is installed on your TalkTalk YouView box, the next step is signing in to access your content. The process is straightforward and works with your existing Netflix account. When you first open the Netflix app, you'll see the familiar sign-in screen. Simply enter your existing Netflix email and password. If you don't have a Netflix account yet, you can create one directly from this screen. Now let's look at common issues you might encounter and how to solve them quickly and easily. If you experience sign-in difficulties, there are several simple solutions you can try. The most common fix is clearing the app cache or updating your YouView software. For streaming quality issues, the problem is usually related to your internet connection speed rather than the Netflix integration itself. Check that your broadband speed meets Netflix's requirements. App crashes are typically resolved by restarting your YouView box or ensuring you have the latest software version. YouView 4.0 or later is required for optimal Netflix performance. If these solutions don't resolve your issue, TalkTalk provides excellent support resources specifically for Netflix integration problems. TalkTalk customer service offers dedicated Netflix integration support. You can also find comprehensive troubleshooting guides on their customer portal, plus community forums with user-generated solutions. With these troubleshooting tips and support resources, you should be able to resolve any Netflix issues on your TalkTalk YouView box quickly and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies.